Okay, pseudo elements and pseudo classes. Yes. So using pseudo classes and pseudo elements, we can apply different styles in, for uh, for selected HTML element. First, pseudo classes can be combined with the CSS classes. So, for example, if you want to apply different background color whenever mouse hover on particular div element, so we have to use pseudo classes and pseudo element concepts. Okay, pseudo elements. For pseudo elements, we have to use a single colon to apply the pseudo classes. Okay, sprites converted. Next is pseudo class. So by using pseudo class, we can apply different CSS properties when your mouse pointer hover on any select element. Select element like hover, active. Okay, these are the classes. Hover and single colon we have to use for pseudo classes. Hover, active, and selected elements, and next visited. Okay, so these are the example classes, okay, for pseudo classes. So already these classes are explained in CSS links concepts. CSS links. So here these are the pseudo classes. So a colon link. So this is the normal link style. Okay. So before you visited the link, or you selected the link, so this color is applied to the link element. After you visit the link, so this class will be applied to the link anchor tag. Okay, whenever mouse hover on that particular link, so this color text color is changed to this color code. After you select the link, so this class will apply to the link element. So by using these pseudo classes, we can apply different styles for selected and particular element. For example, we have one div element. So when our mouse pointer hover on that particular div element, so we can change the background color for div element. A pseudo class. For example, we have one div element and a sample content. So you can take the content from this. Okay, and next we have to use style tag and use id attribute or class attribute. Class, okay, my div 1 is the class name. So by using class name we can apply css properties. Dot my div 1 and the div width 300 pixels and height also 300 pixels and background color, okay, gray color or light gray color, and the text color uh, dark blue. Okay, so normal css properties are applied to the div element. So if you run this example, so normal css properties height, width and background color and text color is applied to the text and div element. So whenever mouse pointer, if you want to display background color is different color whenever mouse pointer hover on that particular div element. So we can use sudo class hover class, so we can change the background color. Okay, hover background color. So background color, so background color deep sky blue and the text color dark and height 500 pixel and width also 500 pixels. So whenever mouse hover on that particular div element, here the background color is changed and text color and height width also. Okay, so mouse pointer hover on that div element. Okay, so background color is changed and text color also changed. Whenever mouse pointer leaves that particular div element, the wall styles are applied. Okay, so by using these pseudo classes, you can apply different classes like this. For example, we have one paragraph element. Okay, in that paragraph, and inline elements is there like I tag or span or anything. So we can find out the first element or last element in paragraph. Okay, for example, in this div element, so we have um, I tag from here. This is one element. Okay, I tag, and this is second element. Okay, so we can find out the first element and last element of inline elements in particular div element. in particular div element. So we can find the inline first element or last element. So if you run this example, so normal, okay, italic font format is applied to the text. So we can find out the first element and last element. For suppose here also one element is there, I. Okay, three I elements is there in our content. Okay, so we can find out first and I element and the last element by using pseudo classes. I colon, okay, first child, and text color dark green, and dark green, and font size. Okay, font size 30 pixel. Only first child. First child means only this I value. Okay, I tag. You can see here. So this is the first I tag in the div content. So we can find out the I first child element from div content. So by using first child pseudo class and apply the text color and font size. Okay, so that up takes up the first child element. And next we can find out last element. Okay, last child, and color arranged, and font size also 30 pixel. Okay, see here we have three child elements in div content. First one, second one, and third one. So but in this example we are finding first element and last element only. Okay, we are only available first and last elements. So like this we can apply the different classes for selected element by using pseudo class, and we have number of classes. For example, after, okay, after to, alternative, and these are all the elements. Okay, backdrop, before to, content to queue, and all these are double quotes. Okay, double colon classes are pseudo elements. Okay, single colon is pseudo class. We current to any link before checked, a corner present, empty, enabled, and first letter. So we can find the first letter in the word, and first of type of focus. Okay, full screen. So you have to practice all these classes. Okay, and next is pseudo elements. By using pseudo elements we can find the elements. Okay, first line and second line of the paragraph. Okay, by using the first line pseudo element and the last line pseudo element. So for example, sample paragraph id p1, we can copy this content from here. So if you run this example, it will display the answer. Okay, the output should be like this. Okay, paragraph. So we can find out the first line of paragraph and last line of paragraph, okay, by using pseudo elements. Dash p1 and colon first line. Okay, color. Okay, dark gold or dark orange, and font size, okay, 20 pixel. So refresh this form. Okay, only first line is applied different style to the total paragraph. Okay, so like this we can find out the last line of paragraph also. So uh, this is not the child. Okay, line. There is no class for last line. Only first line we can apply different style. So these are the pseudo elements and pseudo classes. And next concept is navigation bars. So navigation bars is very important for any website. So these are very easy to use and this is important for any website. So for any website we need navigation bars to redirect from one page to another page or one page to another website. So we have two types of navigation bars: vertical navigation bars and horizontal navigation bars, vertical navigation bars. So vertical navigation bars, you only need to use a tag, a element in addition to the code above. Code above means, okay, so this is the code, example code to implement the vertical navigation bars. So vertical navigation bars and horizontal navigation bars, two type of navigation bars available in CSS. We can implement two types of navigation bars. So vertical and horizontal navigation bars. For example, cybersys.com website, there is a menu: home, company, solutions, services, products. Okay, this is the horizontal menu. Okay, and when you click on any one form, so you will get the, okay, sub menu. Okay, company, okay, mission, services, global, clients, diversity. So this is horizontal, vertical menu. Okay, this is horizontal menu and this is vertical menu. So we can redirect from here also, or we can redirect from here also. So these are the two types of navigation bars in CSS. So we have to use a tag and another list elements to implement vertical and horizontal navigation bars. For example, to implement vertical navigation bars, vertical navigations, so use another list. In another list we have list items. In list items, links, okay, and contacts. href equal to empty path, and sample menu is home, products, services, okay, and contact us. li a href home, products, services, empty path, and final contact us. Okay, contact us. So these are the example menus for our website: home, products, services, contact us. So if you run this example, normal list item is displayed: home, products, services, okay, contact us. To upload different, okay, styles like this, okay, company, mission, services, like this. So we have to write some CSS properties, okay, like here. Okay, style, we can take ID first, another list, okay, navigations. So we can use ID selector, navigations, and width for menu, okay, vertical menu, 12%. Twelve percent. And the next, navigation li element. Okay, in another list we have li element, so we can write for li element. Okay, so in another list we have li element. For this we have to write some change properties. List style type none, background color, and border top, text align, margin. List style none. Next, border color, we can use this color code 039. Background color, sorry, background color dash 039. So this is the color code. And the next, border top, 1 pixel border top, and a solid, and the same color 039. And the next, textile line and a margin. Textile line left, margin 0. Okay, margin 0. And next, in LA element we have anchor tag. So for this we have to write some more CSS properties. Navigation bar, navigations ID, LI element. In LI element we have, okay, anchor tag. For this, display block, and next, text decoration none. Text decoration means underline. Okay, decoration none. So we have underlines is there for text. Okay, so we can remove underlines by using text decoration none property. And next, padding, border bottom, padding 0.25 em, 25 em, and border bottom, border bottom 1 pixel solid 39F color. And next, border right, three nine F. Okay, border right. And next, visitor links and hover links and different colors. A colon link for anchor tags, and comma a colon visited. Okay, for both two classes. Okay, we can apply and you can separate with the comma for two class names. And color triple F. Triple F means white color. Next, A hover and active colors. A colon hover, comma, A colon active. Color 00. And next, A hover background color triple F. Okay, triple F. So now we can run this example. Okay, all these classes are completed. So you can run this. Okay, see here. So this is the first unordered list style. So after return the CSS properties, okay, menu should be like this. Okay, background color and the border colors. Okay, and the padding. So all these classes are applied, and the hover style also applied. Hover style white color. Okay, A colon hover background color is white. Okay, triple F. And next, A colon hover and active color 000. 000 means black color. So after your mouse hover on that particular link, okay, text color is in black color, and LI element, okay, anchor tags and LI elements. So these are the properties. Okay, for vertical navigation bars we can implement like this. And for example, so I will show one more example also. One more example is this is in vertical navigation. So okay, here this is the sample and sub menus link. Okay, so this is parent menus, home of products about contactors. So when your mouse hover on that particular link, so sub menus are also displaying. So okay, you can implement sub menus like this. So we have to write some more CSS properties to display so sub menus. For today task, you have to try this example. Okay, for sub menus. So when your mouse hover on that particular link element, okay, display sub menus for that particular link element. Okay, for that particular link. So that is our task for today. And the next, horizontal navigation task. Okay, this is the horizontal navigation bus, home, news, and this is the drop down menu and sub menus. Link 1, link 2, link 3 is the sub menus for horizontal menu. Okay, these are the product 1, product 2, and the sub product 2, sub product 2. These are the sub menus for product parent menu. Okay, these are the sub menus for drop down for horizontal navigation bars. The master should you have to implement navigation bars like horizontal navigation bars and vertical navigation bars in your real time. So first of all, you have to take order list, unorder list or order list, and write some CSS properties like this. For vertical navigation bars, we have to write some lot of CSS properties. Okay, I will show this example. Okay, these are the CSS properties for horizontal navigation bars. Okay, for sub menus and parent menus. So practice and try with the horizontal navigation bar and vertical navigation bars for today. So compulsory అందరూ కూడా ఈ టాస్క్ చేయండి. వర్టికల్ నావిగేషన్ బార్స్ అండ్ హారిజంటల్ నావిగేషన్ బార్స్ విత్ సబ్ మెనూస్ తోని. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ లింక్ కూడా ఇస్తాను, అందులో ట్రై చేయండి. అందులో ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ దొరుకుతాయి. సో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే డౌన్లోడ్ పెట్టకుండా కోడ్ చూసి రాయండి. ఓకే, ఎలా చేయాలండి అనేది తెలుస్తుంది మీకు. ఇందులో మీకు డ్రాప్ డౌన్, వర్టికల్, బార్, అకార్డియన్, ఫ్లైఅవుట్, సో ఇన్ని టైప్స్ లో నావిగేషన్ బార్స్ అనేది మనం ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయొచ్చు అనమాట. డ్రాప్ డౌన్, వర్టికల్, బార్, అకార్డియన్, ఫ్లైఅవుట్ అని. సో ఇవి ట్రై చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు డ్రాప్ డౌన్ ఉందనుకోండి, డ్రాప్ డౌన్లోకి వెళ్ళి డ్రాప్ డౌన్ టిక్ చేశాను అనుకోండి, ఇందులో ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ వస్తాయి. ఇప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఒక టిక్ చేయండి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీద. ఇందులో మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ వస్తుంది చూడండి. ఓకే, సో ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మీకు కోడ్ ఉంటుంది ఇందులో. ఓకే, కస్టమైజ్ ఆర్ డౌన్లోడ్ అనే ఆప్షన్ ఉంది. సో ఇందులో మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కానీ ఏంటంటే మీరు కంపల్సరీ డౌన్లోడ్ పెట్టకుండా ఇక్కడ ఉన్న కోడ్ చూసి రాయండి. సో మీకు అక్కడ సబ్ మెనూస్ ఎలా వస్తున్నాయి, మెయిన్ మెనూస్ ఎలా వస్తున్నాయి అనేది మీకు అర్థం అవుతుంది. ఇది డ్రాప్ డౌన్ మెనూ అండ్ వర్టికల్ మెనూ. ఓకే, వర్టికల్ మెనూ చూడండి. ఇలా సబ్ మెనూస్ ఉంటాయి అన్నమాట. ప్రొడక్ట్స్, అబౌట్, కాంటాక్ట్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది. లేకపోతే ఇందాక నేను చూపించింది కదా ఆ మోడల్ అయినా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, హారిజాంటల్, ఇది వర్టికల్. ఓకే, ఎలాగైనా ఉంటుంది. లేకపోతే ట్యాబ్ కూడా ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, ట్యాబ్ టైప్ అన్నమాట. సో పైన మీకు ఇలా వస్తుంది. అకార్డియన్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది అకార్డియన్ మెనూ. సో ఇవి కూడా ఒకసారి ట్రై చేయండి, మీ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అన్ని ట్రై చేయండి. సిఎస్ఎస్ మెనూ మేకర్.com. సో ఈ వెబ్సైట్లోకి వెళ్తే మీకు చాలా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ దొరుకుతాయి. అలాగే ఇక మామూలుగా మీరు గూగుల్ సెర్చ్ చేస్తే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మెనూస్ వస్తాయి, అందులోకి వెళ్ళి ట్రై చేయండి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ concept, image gallery. So we can implement image gallery, so like Google Images or Facebook image galleries by using CSS properties. So we can display image albums or image gallery. We can implement CSS image gallery, CSS properties. Okay, CSS can be used to create an image gallery. So for example, Google Images and Facebook images. Okay, so when you upload the images into the Google or Facebook, the image gallery is displaying. Okay, displayed. So like that we can implement CSS image gallery. Image gallery. For example, we have 10 images. Okay, we have 10 images like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. So we can display this all 10 images like image gallery. If you run this example, so there is no style and there is no image. Okay, samples. Can desert.jpg, so we can use this. Okay, desert.jpg. So okay, images are displaying like this. So by using image gallery CSS properties, so we can display this all these images like a gallery. Okay, side by side images. For this we have to write some CSS properties. Style and next image. Okay, image class for div element. Okay, image class for div element. Margin 5 pixel, padding 5 pixel, border height, auto height and auto width. Okay, based on image size. Okay, auto height, auto width. uh, so we can write CSS properties like this. Dot image. Okay, CSS class name, padding 5 pixel and margin 5 pixel and border 1 pixel solid solid, and the color 40FF. Double F. And next auto height, auto width, height auto, and width also auto. So it will take the height and width values based on image size. And float left, text align center, so that images are displayed side by side by using float left, and text align center, text align center, and next width 26 pixel. Okay, div width 26 pixel. Okay, percentage 26%. Okay, div width 26 percentage, and height width of the div element, it will take the auto height and auto width. And in this class, okay, image class, we have image element. Okay, image element. For this image, so you can write CSS properties: display inline margin 5 pixel, border 1 pixel solid, and white color. Display inline margin 5 pixel, and border solid and triple F. And after that, so we can run this example. Okay, images are displaying side by side like a gallery. Okay, we can decrease the size by using width. Okay, we can remove this width. So images are displaying like a gallery. Okay, and next we can write hover styles. In image class, we have image element and hover. Okay, border color 2 pixel, solid, and color is for images border color. Okay, this is the border color. Okay, mesh hover. So just image hover. Okay, so image is highlighting because pseudo class. Okay, hover class. So next, so these are the CSS properties to implement image gallery. Okay, the main important properties is display inline, okay, height, auto width and auto height, and next margin and padding. Okay, these are the important CSS properties. And next, image opacity and transparency. So image opacity and transparency. So we can display images in transparent images by using CSS opacity property. Okay, we can display images in our HTML document transparent by using opacity property, and the opacity property takes the values between 0 and 1. So creating transparent image with CSS is easy. Creating a transparent image, use CSS3 property for transparency. Transparency is opacity. So use opacity property to display transparent image in our HTML document. Opacity or transparency. Image source equal to desert.jpg and class equal to my class, and image height 200 pixels. Okay, and width also 200 pixels, and alternate text. So you can remove this attributes and style by using element selector, opacity, image height and width. Say height 200 pixels and width 200 pixels, and opacity. So it will take the values between 0 and 1. So we can take the value 0.8 or 0.6. So image is displayed, transparent image is displayed in our form. Okay, this is the transparent image. If you give here 0.23, okay, and transparent image, so we can write full opacity also by using mouse over, image over, opacity 1. Okay, so when our mouse pointer hover on that particular image, the image opacity transparent is display full transparent, and whenever mouse leaves the particular image, the opacity takes the whole value, like 0.3. So these are the concepts for today, and tomorrow will complete remaining concepts. So tomorrow CSS concepts are completed. CSS opacity and transparency. So we have to use filter property alpha opacity 40, opacity equal to 40 to display transparent images in IE. Okay, IE. So Google Chrome and Firefox, so Safari browsers, we can use opacity property. For IE, we have to use filter property and alpha and opacity equal to 40 or anything. So to display transparent image in Internet Explorer.